Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to get crystal clear audio in Audacity using noise removal. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll need to identify a section of your audio that contains only background noise. This is typically found in the intro before anyone starts speaking. Click and drag your mouse to highlight just a few seconds of that background noise only. This selection is crucial because it tells Audacity exactly what type of noise to remove from your entire recording. With your noise sample selected, click Effect in the top toolbar. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over Noise Removal and Repair, then select Noise Reduction from the sub-menu. In the noise reduction window that opens, click Get Noise Profile. This captures the characteristics of the background noise you just highlighted, creating a reference point for the removal process. Now that Audacity knows what the noise sounds like, double-click anywhere on your audio track to select all of it. This ensures the noise reduction will be applied to your entire recording, not just a portion of it. Click Effect in the top toolbar again, hover over Noise Removal and Repair, and select Noise Reduction once more. Here's where you'll fine-tune the settings for optimal results. Navigate to the Noise Reduction field and click the text field right beside it. Set it to 6 dB or use the slider to adjust it to your preferred level. This controls how aggressively Audacity removes the identified noise. Below that, you'll see the sensitivity option. Set this to 6 as well. Sensitivity determines how selective the tool is when identifying noise versus actual audio content. Lastly, set the frequency smoothing bands to 3. This parameter helps smooth out the noise reduction across different frequencies, preventing the audio from sounding too processed or artificial. Before committing to these changes, click Preview to test how your audio will sound with these settings applied. Listen carefully to a section of your recording to ensure the noise is being removed without affecting the quality of your voice or other important audio. If you still hear noticeable background noise after previewing, try increasing the noise reduction to 9 dB and preview again. This higher setting will remove more noise, but be careful not to go too high as it can make your audio sound unnatural or muffled. Once you're satisfied with how it sounds, click OK to apply the noise reduction to your entire audio track. And that's it. You've successfully removed background noise and achieved crystal clear audio in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.